Hey, Dan here, and welcome to my vlog, and this is around the house. Well, here we go. I'm going to start doing the roof. I'm going to do it in metal, and my first step's going to be putting down a moisture barrier, and then put the furring strips across to hold it down. And the main thing about this is getting everything as plumbed and straight and aligned as possible. And then once you do that, then the next thing will be getting the metal aligned and overlapping in the right direction and making sure everything is again aligned, so at the very end you're not overlapping and you're not stepping and all that good stuff. So here we go. We're going to be doing this in 360. Hey, Dana here, and welcome to my vlog. And what you're looking at is my furling boards. We're going to go across my roof. These are 14 footers. As you can see, my tarp is staying on again. And it's good. I got a good airflow underneath it, so that means all the wet shingles are going to dry up for me. So I got these at 14 feet hanging out my stang, and you can get them up to 16 feet long. So that's going to be a start. Of course, it has to be windy today. So I'm not gonna deal with it today. I'm just gonna get these out, lay them down, so I have them. We're gonna go from there. All right, what you're seeing right now is my second load of furl strips. Ouch! Damn! Oh, that hurt. Oh. My second run with furl strips, 14 footers, and I'm gonna start working on that this weekend. All right, there we are. I got my last load of furl strips. These are 16 footers this time, and I'll be able to cut them down to where I want them. But I want to get them as long as I could this time. I got 8 14s, and then I got another 4 16s, and I think that's going to do it. Unfortunately, I ran out of battery on the 360, so that's changing. But what I did is I got my furling strap going down the trough, because the new trough will sit on top of that, and then the metal roofing will go into the trough. And I got a 4th piece down below, and I got my furlings staggered because of course I don't have 21 feet of furling strap. So I'm going to have to cut it, but at least it's secured right now. I don't have any problem there. So the one on the far end going down, I actually used a piece that I used that got blown off the roof the first time. It's really a piece of crap, unfortunately, compared to the twice as thick piece going there. So I've basically stopped right now, because I'm going to get some more of this here, and I do have another piece of that, but I'm not gonna put it there. I'm just gonna go ahead and get some heavier paper to go across, to go ahead and finish it up. So it's gonna go across all the way across the bottom. We're coming down about a 14-foot strip right now, and then it's gonna go back to probably I have to say probably, I don't know what that is down there. It's got to be 19. I want to see about 19 feet across right there. So the new piece will go all the way across, and I'll start coming across the middle there. And you might see there is basically no footing right now because it's just that the shingles are just deteriorating in that area. It's just crazy. I'm trying to get some balance and my feet are just slipping out from underneath me. So anyway, and you can see the difference between the 30 and I think that's 25. When I go to Lowe's, I'll point it out. That's the thinner stuff, and this is the thicker stuff. So of course you get twice as much of that than you do this. But I want to go with the newer stuff. It's going to be a lot more durable. But I really don't want to do this again. You know, I've done the shingles, and on 3 sides, but this here is going to be should be pretty easy. It's just straightforward. They're 12-foot, they're only 12-foot lengths, and then of course on the other side of that is the same distance. I think they're like 12-foot lengths. I ain't got to deal with 20, 19 and a half, 20 going across, you know. But this here's pretty plain cut. So I'm breaking my teeth. Of course, I'm breaking my teeth on this one here. No pun intended. I don't fall off the roof and break my teeth. But anyway, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to go ahead and put the tarp over the top, and that'll keep. If it rains tonight, at least that'll keep the roof dry and keep it from absorbing any water now that I've got it all nice and pretty much secured now. Let's get the... Come on. Well, we can tarp on it. And if it rains, then I know the water is not going to get stuck on most of the furrows, because it doesn't come way over here. But it's not supposed to rain tonight, the next couple of nights. So all right, well, to finish this up before my battery on this one goes dead, this is where I'm at. I got the tarp back on here because that's where it was leaking, was in the center of this. So now I've got my moisture barriers, the furs up there, and I'm only about halfway. Got here to go across. And then I'm going to come down from the tops over there and get that done. So I'm going to do all this at one time. And this will be before winter. So I got the tarp all secured down in case it rains. And this is where I am on the outside of the furrow. Now you're going to have side encasement. It's going to come right down the top, right along the side here, and lock it all in. Basically side caps, and then your main cap will go across the top. Down here you'll have a trough, and then on the other side, another side set of caps, and then caps coming down the side, a cap going across the top. So I don't know. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get that done as well. So anyway, yeah, it is a project, and you know, there's nothing like working on a 45-degree angle with this stuff just crackling off of here. So that'll break up one of the videos anyway. So halfway done. I got to get some more barrier moisture barrier, and I really like that stuff. It's thick. It works really good, and it costs more, but I think it's going to be worth it. All right, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and you'll catch me on the next Around the House.